world over. Welcome to this platform, particularly this YouTube platform. But you can get accounting with SageF on WhatsApp. You can get in touch with me on my email, even on Facebook. This is a platform for you to learn. All right. Let me introduce myself to some of my students who are seeing me online for the first time. I did an accounting degree at University of Zimbabwe and also an executive certificate in risk management. So don't doubt this video. It is a video that will help you to learn to pass with good grades and also to make sure that your companies are properly run. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, we want to continue with these studies. And I know you benefit so much. So remember, the topic is on company accounts, limited companies. All right. So remember, a company is a commercial vehicle in which company activities take place for these that are shareholders to make what? Profit. So let's start. Maybe let me give you the objectives, some of the objectives of this lesson. The first one, we need to understand IAS 1. That is presentation of financial statements. Then we are supposed also to understand on item number 2, how to prepare the income statement and statement of financial position, statement of changes in equity, and so on. But for today, I think for this video, those who want more information on the statement of changes in equity, I think we need to watch the next video that is coming very soon. All right, let's get into today's business. We are going to start on definition of terms, particularly on company accounts. We are going to start by defining what shares are. Shares, these are bundles of rights and privilege to shareholders. Remember, shareholders, these are individuals who happen to buy shares in a company. All right. Then we need also to have a picture or a look on how could shares look like. All right. I think we have got the WG Limited, Private Limited, and on each share, I think you have to you understand that we have got what we call the nominal value, which we also call the par value or the face value in simple terms. All right. So the nominal value becomes in simple terms, nominal value is the par value or the face value of the share, like the one that is appearing on your screen. Is a share that is worth 0.5. So that becomes the what? The par value of what? Shares. All right. Let's move on possibly to a typical share certificate. We have got a share certificate for John Adam that was downloaded on by Mr. Guaze, my technical department, headed by Mr. Guaze. We have got a shareholder, John Adam Baron. All right. We can see there is the name of the shareholder, there is the name of the company, the issue date. There is also the various signatories and their addresses. I think this is clear. All right, let's move on. I think we need also to understand, I've been talking about shares, but someone might say, do we have one class of shares? But we can have various types of shares. But for today, for the purpose of this video, I think we need to start these shares that are appearing on your screen. The first one is the ordinary shares, right? These are also called equity holders, all right? Ordinary shareholders are also called what? Equity holders. These are in simple terms, we can call them the real owners of the what? Of the company. Equity holders receive their rewards as dividends after paying what we call preference shareholders. So this brings us into another class of what? Of shareholders. We've got what we call preference shareholders. All right, preference shareholders. As the name sounds, they are preferred. All right, they are preferred to ordinary what? Shareholders. There is no amount of fixed rate for the dividend for what? For ordinary shareholders, unlike to preference shareholders. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritties of what preference shareholders are. Preference shareholders, in simple terms, they are technically creditors to the what? To the company. They receive a fixed rate of dividend. They are paid dividend first before ordinary shareholders receive their what? Dividends. I think you can see on that picture that is appearing on your screen that WG Private Limited had one preference shareholder, and that preference shareholder has a fixed rate of how much? 5%. All right. I think for this meantime, I think we can end here, but watch tomorrow. There will be a new video where we are going to dwell much on debenture holders, the income statement, statement of financial position, and so on. Bye-bye for now. Thank you, my viewers world over. May God bless you. May God do